In this video we will learn about how to do multiplication within few seconds. So we will do multiplication of two numbers with the same base. How we will do it? We will follow two steps. The first step is that we will do simple addition and do multiplication of two single digit numbers, which you know very well. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel.
Let's start our today's topic, which is to do multiplication of numbers within 5 seconds, right? So we will first learn the multiplication for those numbers which have same base. Okay, same base means what? Multiplication of same base numbers. Same base numbers means the numbers which are near to similar terms like 10, 100 or 1000. Okay, so this will be called as base. Okay, base means any value which we are considering it to make our calculation simpler, means our number is somewhat near about to this or somewhat less than this or somewhat more than this. Okay, so let's start our today's first example. Suppose we have to multiply, very simple, which we know in advance also, that you know 7 into 8 will be equal to 56, right? But how we can solve using these methods, multiplication of same with the base numbers. So 7 is how much lesser than 10? 7 is lesser than 10 by 3 minus 3. And 8 is how much lesser than 10? It is minus 2. So what is your next step? Next step is that you have to do addition of these two values, means 7 plus minus 2, which will give you what? It will give you 5. And then do the multiplication of these two numbers. Minus 3 into minus 2 will give you 6. So write down here. So this will be your result. Okay, so this was a very simple one. So now let's start with another example, which is 6 into 4. You know the answer will be 24, right? So let us solve this example by using our method, which will help us in longer calculations, right? So right, how 6 is how much lesser than 10? 6 is lesser than 10 by 4. So that means here we will write down minus 4. Now take our second number, which is 4. 4 is how much lesser than 10? It is less than 10 by minus 6. Okay, so then what you have to do next step, as I have told you earlier, you have to do addition of these two values, means 6 plus minus 6. Okay, take care of the signs very carefully. So 6 minus 6 will be 0, and now this 4 into minus 4 into minus 6. Do the multiplication of these two numbers. These two numbers will be multiplied and these numbers will be added. Okay, so you will be getting result as 24. So 0 and 24. So your answer is what? Answer is 24. Okay, so let us take some bigger example, some big value, 99 into 98. So you can see that these both the values are near about to the same value, which is 100. That's why I was saying that we are doing the calculations for the numbers which are having same base, means they are almost near to the, both the values are almost near to the same base, same number. Okay, so how I can write down 99 as, 99 is how much lesser than 100? It's minus 1. And 98 is how much lesser than 100? It is minus 2. Okay, so now again the next step, you know very well that you have to do addition of these two values, 99 plus minus 2, which will give you what? It will be 97, and do multiplication of these two values. It will give you minus 1 into minus 2. It will give you 2. Okay, so write down your answer. 99 plus 2 is 97, and minus 1 into minus 2 is going to be 2. So this will be your answer of this big number. If you have to multiply these numbers in your competitive exams, then doing simple calculations is going to be very lengthy and time taking. Okay, if you will multiply these numbers like this, then it will going to take your very much time. Okay, so let's move on to some another example. So suppose my another number is that 12 into 14. Okay, so this time till now we have done examples which are lesser than the same base. This time these values are bigger than the same base, so no difference will be there. So you have to write down the in the similar way. 12 is how much bigger than 10? It is plus 2. And 14 is how much bigger than 10? It is plus 4. Okay, so now next step is what you have to do. Addition of these two values means 12 plus 4 will give you what? It will give you 16. So write down your answer here 16 and do the multiplication of these two values means plus 2 into plus 4 will give you what? Plus 8. So this will be going to your answer. Okay, so these are simple one because you know the tables till 25, you know the table, but when these values becomes larger, like suppose 105 into 107, then it becomes very difficult for you, right? So to solve these type of questions, right? So what you do in your exams, in your competitive exams mainly, you will multiply like this. Okay, and it will waste you a lot of time. So this is the technique. By using that you can find out your answer within few seconds. Okay, so write down like this. 105 is how much bigger than 100? Now you can see clearly that these numbers are having same base of 100. So 105 is how much bigger than 100? It is plus 5. And 107 is how much bigger than 100? It is plus 7, right? So now my next time is what? I have to do addition of these two values. I have to add these two values means 105 plus 107 is going to give you 107. Okay, and then do the multiplication of these two values means plus 5 into plus 7 will give you 35. Multiplication of these two will give you 35. So this will be your answer. Okay, let's take this big value now. Okay, now what will be the answer? Especially in banking exams or in your CBSE maths exams or in any exams, time saving in mathematical calculations is the most important point, right? So how you will save your time while solving these kind of problems? So how you can write down 87798? Now you can see that this base for both these values is going to be 10000. Okay, so how much this number is lesser than this number? This number is how much lesser than 12202. Okay, so now you are thinking that how I have written this value. I will make another video on addition and subtraction, that how to do fast addition and subtraction. Okay, so please see my those videos also. For that you have to do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can see my further videos for such kind of calculations. Okay, so moving to this value. This value is how much lesser than this? This value is minus 0,000 and 5. See how much simple it is and how much fast it is. You have to do addition of these two values and you have to do multiplication of these two values. So you know, if you will add only 5, you have to add only 5 to this value. So what you will get? 9773. And now second step, you have to do multiplication of these two values. So when you will multiply these two values, 5 into 2 will give you 10. 5 into 2 will give you 10. Carry is 1. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 and 1 11. Carry 1. 5 into 1 is 1 and this is 6. So this will be going to your answer. So this will be going to your multiplication result for this much bigger value. Okay, so let's take another big value, that 10021 into 10003. Okay, so the same steps. How much bigger this value is? Now base is what? base will be 10000, base will be this one. So how much big this value is with this value? You can easily see that this is plus 21. Okay, so there is nothing to make mistakes, or there is nothing to make to think anything, right? These are very simple calculations. This is what? This is plus 3. So if you will do addition of these two values and do multiplication of these two values, you will get your result. So simple. So what will be the answer? 1 0 0 2 and 4. And when you will do multiplication of these two values, what you will get? You will get 63. See, in within 2 or 3 seconds I have calculated the multiplication of these two bigger values. Okay, so in this video, this much only. So we will meet in the next video with the topics when the numbers with the different bases are multiplied. Suppose my number is 98 into 99, 993 into 97. So you can see that this is near to 100 and this value is near to 10. This value is near to 1000 and this value is near to 100. So how we are going to solve these kind of calculations within few seconds?
Send me your questions on the mentioned email ID, and in the next video we will learn about the multiplication of two numbers with a different base. Till then, take care and bye bye.